Well, folks, it's not often a stock 3X's on a Sunday afternoon when the market's closed. I had to let you guys know about this insanity. I was just reading through this absolutely mind-blowing situation. So, by the way, thanks for joining me for this little short video here on a Sunday. So, if you follow me on Twitch, you know I always show a bunch of different watch lists I have, and one of them is my travel watch list. And there's always this stock named Hawaiian Airlines, ticker symbol HA, that is usually a huge mover on any given day. And it's like a $4 stock. The stock's been destroyed, just to be quite frank, over this year. And the reason is, obviously, I'm sure you guys have heard about what happened in Maui. And that is something that is seen as kind of like detrimental to their business model, obviously higher interest rates, and a lot of people just haven't want to be in the airlines. But the stock has been trading so low recently that it's actually gotten very appetizing as a potential like speculative buy, essentially. And they have, I don't want to say like a monopoly type market share in the Hawaiian market, but kind of a little bit, to be quite honest, okay, in the airline industry. So just an hour ago or so, it is announced that Alaskan Air is going to acquire this Hawaiian Airlines for $1.9 billion. They're going to pay $18 a share. $18 a share. The stock's $4 and some change as of Friday's close. So anybody that's bought Hawaiian Holdings here in the past, let's call it a few weeks or even few months, as kind of like a speculative buy, oh my gosh, you're the luckiest freaking lucky dog in the world, okay? Absolutely insane. Although Alaskan Air is going to take on $900 million of Hawaiian's net debt for a total equity value of roughly $1 billion, and the market capitalization was around $250 million for Hawaiian Airlines. So this is insane. And so obviously Alaskan Airlines is super excited about this deal and all these sorts of things. Now there could be a catch. There could be a catch in this situation. Okay, they say what we saw here was a unique opportunity, and the time and the valuation that we saw Hawaiian at, said the Alaskan Airlines CFO in an interview. He basically said, hey, this is a steal deal. Like, we got to take advantage of this, right? We didn't view this as an opportunity that we shouldn't let pass because it may not come again in our careers, he says. It's that big of a deal, right? And so the deal is supposed to take 12 to 18 months to basically potentially go through. So likely the stock will be up massively tomorrow. It probably won't go all the way to $18 a share tomorrow, though, because there's going to be some people saying, well, what if the deal doesn't go through? And this is where the catch happened. President Joe Biden's Justice Department has taken a hard stance against combinations it views as anti-competitive and has sued to block JetBlue Airways' proposed acquisition of discount retailer Spirit Airlines. A trial is expected to wrap up in the coming days. So it's not a guarantee if the U.S. government and, let's call it the Biden folks will let this deal go through. But if they do, obviously it's just a huge winner. And, so let's say I held Hawaiian Airlines, I would probably just sell the stock off tomorrow. It pops to $10, $12, $15 a share. I'd probably just sell it off tomorrow, take a massive profit and go move that money elsewhere. That way you don't have to wait a year for the deal to go through and the potential that the deal falls through, which would obviously then the stock's, probably going back to $5 or whatever, right? So if I held the stock, I'd probably just take my profit tomorrow. But what a crazy situation, because you don't usually get a 3X type situation when the market's closed on a Sunday afternoon. This is a pretty freak situation. I can't even remember the last time I've seen something like this. A 3X, like that's crazy. It's over 3X evaluation. Absolutely nuts. So appreciate you guys joining me as always. Thanks for being subscribed. If you haven't got to check out my video from earlier today, it's a big beast. Goes into my Cybertruck predictions as well as four what I call rich people stocks are reporting this week. So make sure you check out that video. Posted that a few hours ago. And then on Friday late afternoon, I posted my 5 stocks I'm buying now December edition. So if you haven't get to check out that one, definitely check it out. Appreciate y'all. Much love as always. And looking forward to this. Should be a fun week. Have a great day.